Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to use WordArt.com and how it allows you to create amazing and customized word clouds. I will be showing you the different ways of creating these word clouds and the different options you have to do with them once you create them. We'll start by going to WordArt.com, and once you get there you can click on Create Now. I have already done a few WordArt examples myself, so it is showing me what I have saved in my account. But for others who have not created an account, it'll allow you to go straight to the Create page, which I'll click on this. And this is what you will see if you have not created an account or used WordArt before. And this will bring you to the page where you start by entering your word choice to create your word cloud. It has some pre-filled words in here already. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. And I'm going to begin by using words that describe fall to me. So I'll start by saying fall, bonfires, football, cold weather, and hot chocolate, and leaves. They also have the option of you being able to upload text. You can import, and a lot of the times people will put letters that they have written in there or even poetry that they've written, and you can import it from other areas that you have saved on your computer instead of individually typing in each word. It's a nice feature for that. Once you have entered your words, then you have options of changing the font. It has a huge list of different types of fonts that you can use. And let's see, we can go with Dancing Script. And you can do that for each of the words that you have entered as well. You can change each one to a different font. You can also change to different colors, which I was going to go with more of fall type colors. Bonfire, we can go more orange. And you can change each individual word to its own separate individual color. It's amazing. Then you can also go to shapes. For fall, I'm going to go down, and you can see that they have seasonal shapes as well, and it lists all the different categories that you can do, like Halloween, Christmas, which is great, especially in education and teaching. If you're doing a holiday type activity, it's great for this because you can create Christmas trees, snowflakes, snowmen, or other holiday type animals and shapes as well. And I'm going to find, there was a coffee cup that I'm going to use for my fall one. Right here, you click your shape, and it has other customizable options as well where you can change your fonts. You can even add fonts that you have uploaded or have purchased on your computer that may not be listed. You can change your layout, and you can also change the style where you can get more specific on color emphasis, background color, background image, animation speed, and everything else. I'm going to go back to words. Once you customize this and change different features like font and color, you have to click Visualize, the red button up here on the top, and it will go ahead and take all your changes and words and create the image that you have created. And here is my word cloud. It has all the words that I have listed over here in the colors I chose and in the shape I chose. You can also look up top here where it has animate. That allows these words to pop up and move as I scroll over them. If you want to edit individual words, you would need to click on edit, and it'll allow you to click on individual words and edit them by changing the color, changing the font or spelling, and everything like that. And it also, I wanted to show you under the words and the color and everything, you can also change it to all capitalized letters, all lowercase, or capitalize just the first word. Any changes you do after you have created your image, you would just need to click visualize again, and it'll update any changes that you make as you're creating it. And it capitalized all the words that I had listed as well. And once you have completed your word cloud, you have options up top. You can save it, which if you choose to save it, it will have you create a WordArt.com account, which is free for a very basic account, but they do have other account options that you could pay monthly for, which would allow for high quality downloading, which is great if you're using it on a more professional level. But the basic account, the free one, it does exactly what I would need it for if I were to use it in my classroom. And you can save it, and you can go and change the title of your saved WordArt as well. You also have the option of sharing this. You can share it to different social media like Facebook and Twitter, or send it in an email, or use it as a link, or even embed on a web page. You also have the option of downloading the image if you wanted to use it in other places as well. And last but not least, you have the option of ordering items. You can go to WordArt.com, the shop, and you are able to purchase posters, mugs, t-shirts, and other product items that would have your WordArt image on there, which I think is amazing because these would make great gifts for anybody pretty much in your family, for any holiday, any special occasion. And overall, I think this is an amazing tool. It can be used by any professional, really, but it's great for education. Students can do this for assessments. They can do it for fun. Teachers can use this. They can use it in lessons, which you could use pretty much in any subject matter. It's just a really fun, engaging tool that can be used, and it's unique because it's customizable and you create it to what you need it for. I definitely recommend for friends to go to WordArt.com and give it a try. Thank you.